Turbine Guy coming back at you at day 3 of repairing the old Chris Craft here. Well, since this 5200 is still a little tacky, I have to let that dry for a day or two, but we're getting the plugs cut and getting ready to screw those in with some Resorcinal wood glue. But while I was doing that, did a little more poking, and look what I found. One more issue right here. And issue on the inside as well. So I've kind of cut my line on this side, I cut my line on that side. I'm going to be pulling this board out of here all the way across, cleaning it up, putting a new one on, and then filling and fixing this part from out here. Now, hopefully most of it will be right at or under that water line so we don't have to do too much finishing. As we can see on the inside of the boat, I got my inside screw board in and caulked and ready to go. I'll need a little bit more help. And on the outside, I've been able to put my first coat of the filler in, the EverCoat Formula 27 fairing compound. Now that I got the side hole plugged and I can be finishing that off as I go, time for me to get on the inside of the boat and repair a little bit of that structural damage. Turbine Guy, signing off.